Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ThinkPhone 25 and let me share with you how to fix up crashing. So first of all, let's open the information of the app which is causing you a lot of problems. So let's pretend that in my case it is Google Chrome. So find the app and tap on it and hold it, and then tap on this info icon. So here, what I highly recommend to do is to first of all clear cache. So go to storage and cache and tap on clear cache. As you can see, your device will immediately remove them. Basically, cache are junk files which are not necessary for the proper usage of the app. Moreover, they can cause some problems, some changes. So it's important to remove cache. So that was the first step, and the second one is to tap on force stop. So just tap on it and confirm it with OK, because sometimes if the app is opened in the background, even though you cannot really see it, it might interfere and it won't open again. After those two steps, you can try to open the app. If that didn't work, then I highly recommend to get back to this app info, remove cache again if it is possible, force stop it again, and then soft reset your device. I mean, simply power it off and then power on again. So press the power button and the volume up button together once, and then tap on restart. Basically, this operation confirms all of the changes like removing cache, etc. Another thing which I highly recommend to do is to actually check for the updates, because sometimes the older versions might have some problems. So simply go to the Play Store. Of course, make sure that you've got the internet connection, and I highly recommend to use Wi-Fi. Moreover, you will be able to do that if you've got your Google account added to the device or after logging in the Play Store. It's up to you how you wish to do it, but it's important. So then all you have to do is to go to search for the app, so in my case Chrome. Just find it, and here tap on the Google Chrome. Basically, if the update is available, it will appear somewhere here, so I highly recommend to tap on update and your device will download a newer version. However, if that didn't work, I highly recommend to come back to this section, tap on uninstall, let your device completely remove the app, and then install it again. Basically, sometimes downloading directly the newest version is the better option than overwriting it over the older one. So I highly recommend to check this option. And if that didn't work, I also highly recommend to check for the software updates. So go to the settings. Right here we have to scroll all the way down actually to find system updates, and tap on check for updates. And if your device will show you the information that you've got a new update, then I highly recommend to simply download it and update the system, because sometimes the developer might fix some problems which are interfering with different apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.